Hi there folks, Colin here again from Robert Smail's Printing Works, and today we'll be exploring the fascinating world of letterpress printing and how it led to the invention of techniques that revolutionised mass communications. And we'll start with one of the earliest methods, and that is the woodcut. Woodcut was a relief printing technique that dates back to the 14th century in Europe and involves carving a design into a block of wood, leaving the raised parts to be inked and printed. It was one of the first ways images were mass-produced alongside early movable type. Then we have wood engraving, a more refined approach which was developed in the 18th century. Instead of cutting into the side grain of wood, engravers used the end grain, which is much stronger, to carve intricate details using tools like this burin. These engravings allowed for incredibly detailed prints. Next up, we have the electrotype process. To make these, a wood engraving or metal design was pressed into wax. It's then coated with a conductive material and then plated with copper. The copper shell was backfilled with metal type, creating a durable block, perfect for high volume printing. Photoetching, or Zinkos, came about in the 19th century. By creating a photographic negative on a film and using light-sensitive zinc plates, printers could etch away areas that weren't exposed to the light, leaving behind a raised surface for printing. This method brought about a new era of printing, making it easier to reproduce complex images and logos. For printing photographs, we have halftone blocks. By breaking images into tiny dots, these blocks could represent gradients and shades, transforming the way newspapers and books printed photographs. It was a game changer in making images look more realistic on the page. And finally, here's a photopolymer plate. This modern invention uses photosensitive materials to create precise printing surfaces, making it ideal for today's letterpress enthusiasts. All these amazing techniques reflect how printing evolved to meet the demands of mass production and precision. We'll roll this under, give it a press and see what we end up with.